So firstly, what you would do is go to the YouTube page. Now once you're on YouTube, click on your profile at the top right. Then just simply choose YouTube Studio over here. Now just simply wait for it to load. Then just simply click on settings, then click on channel. Then just simply click on advanced settings. Now scroll down and click on manage YouTube account. And now right over here, just simply tap on add or manage your channel. Now over here you will have all the channels that you have created so far. And if you have only one channel, just simply click on create a new channel or create a channel to get a new one. Now over here, just simply add your new channel name. So let's say for example test. And then click on this checkbox. Then click on create. Now wait for a few seconds over here. And within a few seconds, you will have your new channel right over here, as you can see. Now, if you were not redirected automatically to your new channel, you can always click on this option. Then click on switch account. And then you can choose the new channel that you just created, as you can see right over here. So if you would like to go to YouTube directly, you will find the link in the description box below. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.